getting worse. I have to take my part. This is my time. Today, we are facing a huge population phenomenon called the bonus of demography. This will reach its peak in 20 and 30 when the population of productive age will reach 180 million or 64% of the total population of Indonesia. Currently, the number of teenagers in West Java are about 10 million or 25% of the total population of West Java. As the bonus of demography comes, the quantity of the teenagers will continue to grow. But we must then ensure that not only the quantity of teenagers that will continue to grow, but also the quality of teenagers itself. Teenager Information and Counseling Centers or PIK Remaja have proven to be the spearhead in the Triad KRR campaign. Its contribution has indirectly had an impact on the increase of West Java Human Development Index, which reached 72.03 in 2019. Nevertheless, the role of PIK Remaja can still be maximized to destroy all Triad KRR potentials. Then how we could do it? I'll introduce you Mabar and Baper. Mabar aims to expand the PIK Remaja networking and facilitate PIK Remaja in certain domains by collaborating with various organizations. BAPER is acronym of Bangun Persatuan. It aims to strengthen the PIK-R itself. It can do in two ways. First, strengthen the existing PIK-R, and second, by form a new PIK-R in areas that have not been touched. I put the implementation of Mabar and Baper in 4 simple ways. They are: first, building teenager spiritual intelligence by Gemar or Gembleng Rohani Remaja. Second, forming intellectual intelligence and integrity of teenagers through Saung Cakrawala or Sawala and Lembut Inggris or Linggis. Third, maintaining teenagers' physical health through Tegar or Tempat Kebugaran Remaja. Fourth, developing talents and interests of teenagers through Reni or Remaja Nyeni. I'm Arslan from Purwakarta. I do believe through Mabar and Baper and 4 simple actions I mentioned above, we can bring the teenagers of West Java into Remaja Juara Lahir Batin while also supporting the Bangga Kencana program at once. As the bonus, we will be very ready for facing the bonus of demography. Salam Genre.